Hello, fellow creatives. A lot of you have heard about eye tracking and the impact it may have on usability research, but there is not a lot of content of how you can interpret the results and take actions upon the eye tracking data. Today, you will learn how to take action, improve your designs, and make better your users' overall experience by using predictive eye tracking data called attention maps. Before I start showing you some examples with attention maps, I would love to introduce you to a simple framework to help you take actions. It's called the 3 W's: what, why, and where next. What means that the user needs to get instantly what this page is all about. Why implies that you have to convince your users why they need to care about the services you are offering and that you need to communicate your value proposition. And last but not least, where next is about the call to actions that will guide your users to the next step, and hopefully they will convert. Let's now start with the first example of Uber's old and new landing page. From left to right, we can see the old and the new landing page of Uber. We make a fair hypothesis here that Uber designers actually know what they are doing and redesigned the website more efficient with higher conversion rates. Let's now get some attention maps to check who would be the winner. First, click the artboard, then plugin, VisualEyes, and then attention heat maps. We will do the same for the new design, but with a shortcut now. Click VisualEyes, then attention maps, and give it 2 seconds. That's interesting. We get a feeling of which design to choose, but let's go a step down further. Remember the 3 W's rule? Let's delete the previous attention maps and try to implement this rule by using areas of interest. So what are users doing on Uber's website? They want to register as drivers. This is our what. So let's mark the main headline as this is our value proposition. Draw a rectangle here, name it AOI as an acronym for areas of interest, and give a little bit of opacity to make sure we can see what is behind our area of interest. Now, why would they want to register? To get paid, of course. So again, this matches our headline. And the where next would be the conversation point, so let's mark the sign up button. Copy-paste the previous area of interest and fit it to the sign up button. Before doing the same steps in the new design, I think it would be great to check also the faces and how much attention they are getting, because they can lead to the dilution of the attention of our users. Copy-paste again the area of interest and fit it to the driver's face. Now do the same steps in the new design. Draw a rectangle, name it AOI, give a little bit of opacity, the same in the sign up button and the same for the gentleman's face. Let's test now the 2 artboards by running VisualEyes algorithms. Let's rearrange the artboards to help us compare them side by side easier. In the area of interest of the first design, 193% means that the sign-up button is getting 1.9 times more than the average attention, whereas in the new design, the sign-up is getting 3.6 times more than the average attention. Although the headline is performing better in the first design, it is crucial that in the second design, we have one main attention cluster that guides the users from the value proposition directly to the sign-up button, our main call to action, and the distance between them is pretty close, in contrast with the distance here. Also, it is crucial that in the first design, the driver is looking directly on the user, which is grabbing a lot of attention and is diluting users from their main goal, whereas in the second design, the gentleman is not getting so much attention as we can see not even 100% more than the average. Regarding the face, we can see clearly that meanwhile, the first design has a smaller face, having the driver looking directly at the users is getting more attention than it is actually needed. Good job, Uber's design team, for this impressive redesign. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Hope it helped you. If you need more video material, don't forget to watch the part 2 with more examples on how to understand and act upon your attention data. Happy testing!